younger brother. I know him since I was the youth and sports minister of this country, and I cannot forget those days. Despite his father, Leonard, he was then too small, but he came to me because of his game and all sports and all this. So I am too happy. So I have got my younger brother and my sweet and cute brother with Trinamool Congress. It will be very encourageable for a young generation. Thanks a lot, Leonard. Thanks a lot for joining us with the Trinamool Congress. Start from Leonard. No, from Leonard. If you give your introduction, because I do not, then I can know the people. We have to trust people. Trinamool Congress just started. Since Mr. Pelledio and others they joined with us. But within this short time, everybody knows that Trinamool Congress is doing political work started in Goa, and they are taking preparation for the election. I think Goa is a very beautiful state, and they will celebrate their 60 years of liberation. And let this year celebrate as the Navi Shakal, new dawn of Goa. Let the sun rise, let the sun shine, and let the people smile. Goa have everything with them. What not? Fishing, to tourism, to mines, to sea, to so many things. But the problem is now nobody takes care. It is neglected now. And neglected because nobody is there to take care for the people. Only the government and formation of the government stealing the MLAs. It cannot give you the result. In real politics, in our democratic setup, whatever is the assurance giving before the election, the manifesto, that is to be fulfilled. And political commitment is the main commitment, and credibility. Our credibility is our commitment. So I believe that we love Goa. We know their problems. I met the fishermen because I am fishing man. Next time I meet the taxi drivers and others also, wherever civic society also. There's so many times I will be coming. Next also. So face by face I will be meeting the people. And I am very happy that Gender also joined today with Nafiza Ali and Nirmala Deshpande. Thanks, congratulations to all of you. So I think that Goa, there is a let Goa rule Goa. It is not that Delhi से लड्डू आएगा और दिल्ली का लड्डू गोवा चलाएगा. दिल्ली का दादागिरी एक बंद होना चाहिए. गोवा को अपन पाए में खड़ा होना चाहिए और उसका फाइल उसको ही होगा. हम लोग उसको मदद करेगा. हम सिस्टम बना देगा, मैकेनिज्म बना देगा जितना मदद करना है. They didn't have problem for the economy, but they cannot manage it. It is totally mismanaged. Otherwise, what Goa has as a small state, हमारा बंगाल में इतना भी नहीं है, लेकिन देखो हमारा 40% हम अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट कम ही करेंगे. लेकिन इधर में फिशिंग मैन को अभी 30,000 कर दिया, उसका सब्सिडी 50,000 से. एक्सपोर्ट भी बंद है. रोता है. हम चाहते हैं गोवा शुड स्माइल. लेट मी सी गोवा शुड स्माइल. Let the sunshine and new dawn. One party we said, we the insiders, we trust our insiders. They will make their policy. They will decide everything, and we can discuss, we can consult, we can counseling, we can help, and it is to be decided together. I cannot tell it right now. It is not possible right now because, like yesterday you have seen Nafiza Ali, Minalini, so many people are joining. So it's a big, there is a big scope of Goa. Let the others also join. So we will decide at the time of election. My agenda is very clear. Goa, let Goa run from Goa. Union of states, we want to see the strong union of states. We want to see the federal structure is strong. We want to see Goa is a potential state, and people of Goa, from unemployment to a young generation to women empowerment, fishing to tourism. And Goa, the sea is there, big sea. That is the beauty. It's an internationally famous field. Let us nurture that. Goa people should feel that they should pride. It is their pride. जल्दी से आपको सब बोल देंगे तो बाद में क्या होगा? पूरा इतना क्वेश्चन आज ही मत करो, थोड़ा टाइम वक्त दो। 2024 में भी कंटेस्ट करेगा, तो 2024 में से करना ही करना है, कोई तो बात नहीं है। छुपाने को बात तो कुछ नहीं है, हम छुपाने को तो वहाँ पे कम नहीं करते हैं, हम लोग ट्रांसपेरेंट है। We started working, we will continue to do that.
Reading from Goa, joint December, गोवा में लोगों के अंदर भय है कि टीएमसी पार्टी अगर पावर में आ जाएगी तो शायद यहाँ पे दंगे होंगे, तो ऐसा मतलब
कभी हमारा बंगाल में दंगा नहीं करने दिया तो गोवा में कैसे होंगे? वो तो बीजेपी दंगा कराता है, हम लोग तो दंगा रुकते हैं, हम दंगा नहीं चाहते, हम शांति चाहते हैं। You know, जिसका कोई कल्चर नहीं होता, बीजेपी का कोई कल्चर नहीं है, कल्चरली they are very poor, they are not sound, but Goa people is very cultured people. Bengal, just Bengal is very cultured people and others also. So they defense, they have shown me the black flag, the people will be blacklisted politically. We are not going for howling or fighting the battle on the road physically. We will fight the battle democratically and we will defeat them. That's why we are in Goa. We want public are totally disturbed. They have so many problems, nobody is there to take care. So let us work for them. हमारा अनुभव हमारा we will work, we will give empowerment for women because you know this is the only party. It is not the other party who are telling now they will empower the women. In Parliament, only Trinamool Congress direct we think we have 41% elected MPs, women MPs. Even in Bengal also there are 8-9 ministers, the women. So please remember that we will give special emphasis to the women vote, more tickets to the women and young generation. Even I will be happy if the taxi driver, farmers, even the fishing community, they also contest the election.
दिल्ली में आपके कांग्रेस लीडर के साथ अच्छे संबंध है, तो गोवा में ये संबंध अच्छे क्यों नहीं हो रहे हैं?
गोवा का समुद्र एक रकम होता है, दीघा का समुद्र एक रकम होता है। हम गोवा का समुद्र देखने के लिए आए, तो आपको एफर्ट क्या है?
मैडम अब्बास रीस के ऑनलाइन मीडिया से गोवा तृणमूल कांग्रेस में युवाओं का क्या स्थान रहेगा?
युवाओं को अपने पाय में खड़ा होने के लिए all the families must get the opportunity to work, right to work will be our motto for the young generation. We want they should stand in their own legs.
We are aware that the BJP government here launched a program on the 8th of October called Sarkar Tumcha Dari, which means government at your doorstep. Do you think it's a comment of your...
It is our program, so if they copy the program and actual implementation, there is a difference. If there is a good thing, you can copy it, no problem. But we have implemented that. Tell them to implement. Because हमने सुना तो ये for the women, the girl child also 32,000 cases they are pending. They are not getting there. One scheme बच्चा लोगों को गर्ल चाइल्ड का जो स्कीम है उसपे उसको रुपया नहीं मिला. But you know that in our state 1.5 crore women are getting Lakshmi Bhandar. Honestly, 70 lakhs girl child. All the students, education free, health free, रेशन फ्री हमारे स्टेट में. रेशन के लिए एक पैसा भी नहीं लगता है. और रेशन हम घर घर में अभी देंगे. अभी कोई आदमी का डेथ भी होता है उसमें भी हम रुपया देता है. कि बहुत सारे गरीब है ना जो कफन भी नहीं दे सकता है, समाधि भी नहीं दे सकता है, क्रिमेशन भी नहीं कर सकता है, उसको भी हम करते हैं सब. Even press media, you ask, Manideepa is there, of course she is from NDT, but she is from Bengal. Even for press media also, we have the free health scheme. Ask them.
Ma'am, a follow-up question to my colleagues over there. Is Goa going to be the doorway to New Delhi in 2024? Just to add one question, will you be contesting because of your Prime Minister?
I'll allow you to contest. अरे आप करो ना, आप लोग प्रेस मीडिया क्यों नहीं करोगे? आप लोग भी करो, चलो हमारे साथ भी बहुत प्रेस मीडिया है. अभी भूख नहीं ना, खाना नहीं खाओगे? लंच करो, चलो और भी प्रोग्राम है. आप लोगों को लिए एक्सरसाइज करेगा ना, आपको मंदिर में जाना नहीं है.
How much you hope to bring change in Goa in the coming election?
There will be a change. If there is no change, then why I am here? What? Bengal Goa have the similarity. Fishing देखो कितना हम किंग फिश किया, खरीद किया. I have seen the pomfret fish. I have seen the prawn. Just like Bengal market. Fishing देखो, football देखो. Folk song. Hello master, how do you do? I cannot forget that. So there is a similarity. Goa may be a small state, but it's a beautiful state. Let them smile and let them rise the sun for the coming future of this country. माइंड को मैंने सुना है, माइंड भी बंद है, बहुत सारे लोगों को कुछ नहीं मिलता है. माइनिंग के लिए भी हम लोग पॉलिसी बनाएंगे. वो आपके पास सब कुछ है, लेकिन पॉलिसी बनाने के लिए, पॉलिसी करने के लिए, देखभाल करने के लिए कोई नहीं है. इवन ए पंचायत is taking too much money for a particular work that I have received complaint from the people. Tourism is a main sector for this Goa, but tourism sector में भी और भी करना है, और भी करना चाहिए. जितना ज़्यादा होगा इतना employment बढ़ेगा. हम लोग we will give emphasis to employment generation.
Madam, today the common man is very much concerned about the increase in petrol prices. What is your take?
Everybody, LPG हमने चाय पीने के लिए किया तो एक लेडी रो रहा था, बोलता है कि हमारा LPG नहीं है, हमारा खाना वाना बंद हो गया है. LPG 1000 रुपया हो गया. डीजल का भाव देखो, एवरीडे इज इंक्रीजिंग. पेट्रोल, डीजल, दिस LPG मार्केट प्राइस देखो कितना हो गया. कैसे लोगों का संसार कैसे चलेगा, फैमिली कैसे चलेगा? किचन में आग जल रहा है और लेकिन ये लोग खाली बजा रहा है.
एक गवर्नर ने आरोप लगाया है कि
उसको रिप्लाई फिर न्यूज ही देगा. आपको क्वेश्चन पूछने का पहले मेरे को पता है. भाई I am not here to say about other party. say anything about other party, only except my party.
ऐसा नहीं दीदी, जिस तरह से बंगाल चुनाव में आपका एक स्लोगन था और बड़ा पूरे देश भर में हुआ था, खेला हो गए, क्या आप गोवा में भी चुनाव लड़ेंगे और पूरी जोर तो से चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं?
आप देखेंगे ना इलेक्शन का मीटिंग में हम लोग आएंगे ना, फुटबॉल लेके आएंगे,
खेला होगा
फुटबॉल लेके आएंगे और आप देखेंगे कि हम भी फुटबॉल कर सकते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग दिस बैडमिंटन एंड ऑल द प्ले। ऐसा मत सोचो कि हम लोग खाली पॉलिटिक्स करते हैं। टेनिस, लॉन टेनिस कितना है, टेबल टेनिस कितना है, बैडमिंटन, आप बैडमिंटन और टेबल टेनिस है, हम बैडमिंटन है।
First of all, I am very grateful for this opportunity from Didi. To give you a little history, I was a 14-year-old boy embarking to be a tennis player for our country, and Didi was the sports minister of Bengal at the time. And she was very, very encouraging and very supportive as the sports minister of India to enable a young boy to embark on his dream. The vehicle that I chose for the last 30 years to do our people proud was tennis. I traveled the world for 30 years playing for our country, whether it was Davis Cup or the Olympics or winning Grand Slams. Now that I've retired from tennis, the vehicle has changed. And I would like to come under the same guidance of a very powerful young lady who's run with her passion and also given me the opportunity to serve our people through politics. I would like to make a difference to the youth. I would like to make a difference where my roots are. And that's why I've come and joined Didi in this endeavor, to make a difference to our country as a whole.
And what did you like about the governance in Kolkata that you joined with?
For me, Devi is a lady of her word. As she said earlier, she may not be a big man, but she's a true champion. I'll tell you that for sure. My career has been encouraged a lot by Didi, and that's why I'm grateful to her. I've also have my visions on what I'd like to see India as the largest democracy in the world look like. For me, it's about democracy. It's not about color or religion or culture or caste. For me, it's a democratic country. For me, it's the largest and fastest growing democratic country in the world. And I'd like to be a part of that to make a difference as I can.
You know, how they are torturing Tripura, wherever the BJP government is there, they are not allowing the people to go. They are not allowing people to be in a peaceful manner to stay. Tripura, even wherever our people are going, even including place, they are torturing. Every day they are beating the people like anything. They are torturing the people like anything. It is not only Tripura. If you see Tripura, you go the same thing you will see. The Assam BJP government, same thing you will see. You come to Goa, they will deface you. They will show you the black flag. They will talk. They have already started torturing to all people. Like this, if you go to UP, Nakampur to Hathras, UP, wherever you go, they will not allowed to go. You will also arrested. So this BJP, they don't believe in democracy. It's an autocracy, and they are a big autocrat. That's why I'm really sorry to say that their vision is poisonous. They are spreading the poisonous air, polluted air, in the name of so-called communalism, as if